Hello kids, today we are going to see about exercise 1.1 question number 9. The question is, Nilavan can walk 4 into 1 by 2 kilometer in an hour. How much distance will he cover 3 into 1 by 2 hours? Okay, 3 into 1 by 2 hours. See, this is the distance problem. In this problem they are given Nilavan can walk 4 into 1 by 2 kilometers. Okay, so distance walked by Nilavan in 1 hour. Okay, in 1 hour. That is 4 into 1 by 2 kilometer. 4 into 1 by 2 kilometer. Distance walked by Nilavan in 1 hour is 4 into 1 by 2 kilometer. Okay. So here we have to find out how much distance will he cover 3 into 1 by 2 hours. Okay, distance walked in 3 hours. Okay, here we have to find the distance walked in 3.5 hours. Okay, 3.5 hours. That is, here we are using the multiplication. Okay, 1 hour he walked 4 into 1 by 2 kilometers. 1 hour he walked 4 into 1 by 2 kilometer. Here we have to find that this walked in 3.5 hours. So here we are using the multiplication. Okay, so 1 hour by 3.5 hours, multiple by the 3.5 hours. 1 hour he walked 4 into 1 by 2 multiple by 3.5 hours. Okay, 3 into 1 by 2. Okay, 3 into 1 by 2. So here they are the mixed fraction. So convert it to the improper fraction and then solve the problem. Okay. So 4 2s are 8. 8 plus 1 9. 9 by 2 plus 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 1 7. 7 by 2. Okay. 9 by 2 multiple by 7 by 2. Okay. So here multiple by the numerator and denominator is denominator. You don't write the common denominator. In the common denominator only write the additional fraction and subtraction of fraction. Don't write the common denominator in multiplication of fraction and division of fraction. Okay, here multiple by the direct denominator and direct numerator. Okay, so 9 sevens are 63. Okay, 63 divided by 2 2s are 4. Okay, 2 2s are 4. So 63 divided by 4 kilometers. 63 divided by 4 kilometer. So 63 divided by 4. 63 divided by 4. 1 4s are 4. Okay. So 6 minus 4 is 2. 2. So bring it down 3. So 23. 5 4s are 20. 5 4s are 20. Subtract 23 minus 20. So 23 minus 20 is 3. Okay. So the answer is 11 walks 15 into 3 by 4 kilometers in 3 into 1 by 2 hours. Okay. Therefore 11 walks 15 into 3 by 4 kilometers in 3 into 1 by 2 hours. Okay.
Let us move on to exercise 1.2, question number 2. In this word problem, from his office, a person wants to reach his house on foot, which is at a distance of 5 into 3 by 4 kilometer. If he had walked 2 into 1 by 2 kilometer, how much distance still he has to walk to reach his house?
Solution. In this word problem, they are given distance of the house from office. Okay, distance of the house from office and distance he walked. Okay, so distance of the house from office is 5 into 3 by 4 kilometer. Okay, distance of the house from office. Distance of the house from office is 5 into 3 by 4 kilometer. 5 into 3 by 4 kilometer. Okay. And then distance he walked. Okay, distance he walked. That is 2 into 1 by 2 kilometer. 2 into 1 by 2 kilometer. So here we have to find how much distance still he has to walk to reach his house. Okay, how many distance still he has to walk to reach his house. So the remaining distance. So here the remaining distance is remaining distance. So here we are using the subtraction of fractions. Okay, so 5 into 3 by 4 minus 2 into 1 by 2. Okay, 5 into 3 by 4 minus 2 into 1 by 2. Subtract 2 into 1 by 2 from 5 into 3 by 4 and we get the distance he has to be walked. Okay, so here there are the mixed fraction. 5 4s are 20, 20 plus 3, 23. 23 by 4 minus 2 2s are 4, 4 plus 1, 5. 5 by 2. So here the denominators are different. So here this is unlike fractions. Okay, unlike fractions. So here we have to convert the like fractions and then subtract the numerator and then subtract the numerator. So here 4, 2. So LCM of 4 and 2. 4, 2. Okay, so the smallest prime number is 2. 2 2s are 4, 1 2s are 2. Again 2. So 2 is a prime number which is divisible by itself. 1, 1. So the LCM of 4 and 2 is 4. 2 2s are 4. So here 4. So how many times of 4 is 4? 1 times. So write as well as 4 23. Okay, 4 23 by 4 minus here 2. 2 2s are 4. 5 2s are 10. Okay, so 23 by 4 minus 10 by 4. Okay, so write the common denominator and subtract the numerator. 4 and the numerator is 23 minus 10. 23 minus 10 is 13. 13 by 4. 13 by 4. So dividing these values, 13 by 4. 1 4s are 4, 2 4s are 8, 3 4s are 12. So 3 4s are 12. 13 minus 12 is 1. So the answer is 3 into 1 by 4 kilometer. 3 into 1 by 4 kilometer. So the distance still he has to be walked is 3 into 1 by 4 kilometer. Okay. In this word problem, they are given Mangai bought 6 into 3 by 4 kg of apples. Mangai bought 6 into 3 by 4 kg of apples. If Kalai bought 1 into 1 by 2 times as Mangai bought. 1 into 1 by 2 times as Mangai bought. Then how many kilograms of apple did Kalai buy? How many times of apple did Kalai buy? Okay. So in this word problem, they are given weight of apples Mangai bought. Weight of apples Mangai bought. So weight of apples Mangai bought. Mangai bought 6 into 3 by 4 kg. 6 into 3 by 4 kg. Okay. And then weight of apples Kalai bought. Weight of apples Kalai bought. Weight of apples Kalai bought. This is 1 into 1 by 2 times of Mangai bought. 1 into 1 by 2 times of. 1 into 1 by 2 times of. Okay, times of 1 into 1 by 2 times of Mangai bought. So, in this word problem, many times of there exist. So, we are using the multiplication. Okay. So, in this word problem, times exist. So, we are using the multiplication. So, 1 into 1 by 2 multiple by the times of Mangai bot. Mangai bot is weight of apples Mangai bot 6 into 3 by 4. So 6 into 3 by 4. So convert this. 1 2s are 2, 2 plus 1 3. 3 by 2 multiple by 6 4s are 24. 24 plus 3. 24 plus 3 is 27. 27 by 4. So as well as multiple by the numerator and the denominator, we get 27 3s are 27 3s are 81. Okay, 27 3s are 81 divided by 4 2s are 8. Okay, 4 2s are 8. Dividing these values, 81 by 8. 81 by 8. So we get 10 into 1 by 8 kg. 10 into 1 by 8 kg. Okay. So weight of apples Kalai bot 10 into 1 by 8 kg. Okay. Okay children. Thank you. See you next class.